Hang in there, sweetie. Dinner's ready. Thank you. You're welcome. Wow, honey. It's just as cold as the time you forgot our anniversary.
Okay, time to call Always Ready Repair.
When the cold hits hard, Always Ready Repair is here to help. Fast, professional service, expert technicians, and same-day solutions. So your home stays warm and your dinner stays hot. When your comfort is on the line, we're always ready.
This is what I call dinner.
Don't change the subject, honey.
Always Ready Repair, your go-to experts for all your heating and cooling needs.